Alrighty, Scott, here's your 427 small block Ford. Redid everything for you. So cleaving heads on it. It's got one of your camshafts in it. Hooked everything up to Holley Terminator X. We'll go in there and make a run, see what she does. Stay tuned. Alrighty, 3,500, 498 foot-pounds of torque. Looks like a peaks torque 536 foot-pounds of torque, 39 foot-pounds of torque, excuse me. Peaks horsepower 540, so everything good. What we did is pull the pipe back, make sure it's good and clean for you, show you a couple other things. When you see your engine, you'll find a single credit card, USB card, full of technical information, engine build specs, video, things of that nature. A lot of tech stuff. I'd recommend watch it. On the engine will be this tag. It'll have a engine number, some other specifications. Need anything from us, that engine number, easiest way to look you up. Flip it over. It's got a QR code. Take more tech stuff. So I'd recommend to watch all that. Have a great day.